To do a mobile deposit on Regions Bank, start by downloading and installing the Regions mobile banking app on your smartphone. This app is available for both iOS and Android devices and can be found in the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, open it and log in to your account using your online banking username and password. If you are a new user, you will need to enroll in online banking before you can use the mobile app. After logging in, tap the menu icon and select Mobile Deposit. You will then be asked to accept the terms and conditions of the mobile deposit service. Read through the terms carefully and check the box to accept. Next, select the account you want to deposit the check into and enter the amount of the check. Make sure to enter the amount carefully, as it will be verified later. Now, take a picture of the front and back of the check using your smartphone's camera. The app will guide you through the process and provide tips for taking a clear picture. Make sure the check is endorsed with your signature and the words "for mobile deposit only." After taking the pictures, review the deposit details to ensure everything is correct. If everything looks good, submit the deposit. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your deposit has been received and is being processed. It may take a few days for the funds to become available in your account, depending on the type of check and the time of day you make the deposit. You can check the status of your deposit at any time by logging into the mobile app and selecting the mobile deposit option. It is also important to note that there may be limits on the amount you can deposit using the mobile app, and some types of checks may not be eligible for mobile deposit. You can find more information about these limits and any other requirements in the Regions mobile banking app or on the Regions Bank website. By following these steps, you can easily and securely make a mobile deposit on Regions Bank using your smartphone. This service is convenient and saves you time, as you do not have to visit a bank branch or ATM to make a deposit.